Myth number 6, giving holiness to animals. For example, believing cats are holy animals and having cats in the house brings angels, scares off jinns, and so on. Wallahi, I've seen this on Facebook. I don't know where people get this information from. Where do you get it from? That's not the sad part. The sad part is it gets so many views and likes and people actually comment how their iman rose. What? Because of someone saying something? What about the evidence? Ask for the proof, ya akhi. Where is this from? We have 2 sources, the Quran and the Sunnah, the way of the Prophet ﷺ. And obviously, if it's not there, we look at the consensus of the companions, and then it comes ijtihad, to look at what the scholars said. The Quran and Sunnah has nothing about cats being holy. Yeah, Rasul ﷺ used to allow cats to come around, they're clean, but he also allowed dogs to enter the Prophet's masjid. They would come in, the people would feed them, and they would go out. Sometimes Rasul ﷺ would make wudu from the jar, from the container, he would give a cat to drink. As he's making wudu, he would give the cat to drink, and he would continue his wudu because cats are considered clean. Clean for our system. Obviously, you don't go and put your mouth on the cat's mouth. That's bad. But in general, we become immune to their uncleanliness. So brothers and sisters, there's nothing more holy about a cat.